Before I start this video, I would like to inform you that I do offer spiritual services, and you will find my contact information in the description box of all of my videos. Thank you.
Jump in that bitch, jump in that fire.
Welcome back. Today's video is on tips when doing candle magic for those of you who are new to this, or even for some of you who are experienced and want new tips. I don't know. First thing is, when you get your candles, you want to make sure that you cleanse them. No, you don't have to do a whole shebang where you pulling out your incense or your sage, your palo santo, and cleansing the candles, or you are taking your Florida water and drenching it in the no, you don't have to do all that. Take some lukewarm water and rinse it. That's literally all you have to do. Get the dirt off of it, take these stickers off, especially. Just completely strip the candle. When it comes to lighting your candles, of course you want to make sure that you are not burning your candles in a place where things are flammable. If you don't have a place like that, burn the candle on a plate, inside of a bowl. You could burn it inside of a pot, whatever you want to do, especially if you know you have cheap candles like this one. This is a very cheap candle and it has a potential of bursting. Burn it inside of something to where if it does bust, it's not gonna have a huge consequence for you, or you don't have to deal with no shit. Now let's talk about petitions. If you are a person who writes petitions for your candles, because not everyone does, and also it's not necessary if you have certain techniques. If you are a person that writes petitions for your candle magic, keep your petitions simple. You do not have to write a 2-page essay on whatever it is that you want to do. If you can shrink it into a sentence, do that. But some of you write 2-page essays on what it is you want to happen, and you're burning it on top of under one candle. That doesn't make any sense. If you can and it's possible, put it down in 1 or 2 sentences, and boom, let that be your petition. Another thing with candles, as you know, they are very short-lived. The results are short-lived. So you want to stack up whenever you go to the store and buy your candles. Go ahead and get yourself at least 12, because you want that as soon as one candle goes out, you're putting out another one. You got to keep burning them for whatever outcome it is that you want, because candles do not last long. The candle, for the most part, is the most powerful while it's lit. After that, you probably have a good 3 days as the energy still lingers within your environment, but while it's lit, that's when it's the most powerful. So you want to stack up so that as soon as it goes out, you put another one back. When it comes to putting your herbs inside of the candle, you do not have to put so much herbs inside of the candle that it has a potential of catching on fire. Some of you got layers and layers of herbs inside of these candles. For what? You don't have to do all of that. Just put a little bit inside of there and it's gonna do its job. If you have it blended up into an oil, even better. Then all you need is a drop. But you don't have to fill these candles up with so much herbs and oils to where it can catch on fire, or the wick isn't lighting properly. You don't have to do all that. Be aware of where you are burning your candles and what you are burning your candles around. When you are burning certain candles, you don't want them in the environment in which you sleep. If you're burning a black candle and you're doing destruction, you don't really want to burn that in your bedroom, because you are drawing negativity inside that environment. So if you're a person who's burning a lot of black candles, burn that in a place that is typically desolate, an area in your house that nobody really goes, so that that energy stays contained over there. And if you're doing love magic, you want to keep that away from where you're burning your negative things. Keep stuff separate. Keep different energies separate. That's all for this video. Like, share, and subscribe.